Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do question number 1 to 5 of workbook of chapter number 1, heating and cooling. Question number 1, state whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1, the coldest part of a fridge is at the bottom. This is true statement. Number 2, radiated heat always travels downwards. False statement. Number 3, in hot sunny climates, houses are often painted white to keep them warm inside. This statement is again false. Number 4, insulation works by trapping air in the spaces between the material. True statement. Number 5, a vacuum flask can keep liquids at constant temperature for several days. This is false statement. Question number 2, choose the correct option. Number 1, which of these surfaces is best at radiating heat? Option A, black, B, blue, C, red, D, white. The correct option is A, black. Number 2, which of these surfaces is best at absorbing heat? Option A, black, B, blue, C, red, D, white. Correct option is A, black. Third statement, a vacuum flask is able to keep a cold liquid cold because it, option A, decreases the rate at which heat flows into the liquid, B, decreases the rate at which heat flows out of the liquid, C, increases the rate at which heat flows into the liquid, D, increases the rate at which heat flows out of the liquid. Correct option is A, decreases the rate at which heat flows into the liquid. Statement 4, plants grow better in a greenhouse in early spring because A, heat from the sun warms the inside of the greenhouse, B, seeds germinate in the spring, C, the greenhouse stops too much heat getting to the plants, D, the young plants are sheltered from the rain. Correct option is A, heat from the sun warms the inside of the greenhouse. Statement 5, in dry weather, the water in a puddle soon disappears because it, option A, evaporates into the air, B, is drunk by small animals, C, soaks into the ground below, D, spreads outwards to the surrounding ground. Correct option is A, evaporates into the air. Number 5, the diagram shows 6 articles that you could find in a home. Each one has a job which has something to do with heat flow. This is table mat made of cork, frying pan made of steel, handle of kitchen turner made of wood, blanket made of wool, base of iron made of aluminium, central heating boiler made of copper. Number 1, work out what job each article or part of the article does and write your ideas in the table. One has been done for you. Number 1, this last has been done. Hot water cylinder. This is the article. What is it made of? It is made of copper. What is its job? Allows heat to get from burner to water in boiler. Now we will start from table mat. What is it made of? It is made of cork. What is its job? Cock prevents heat from a hot utensil reaching the table. Frying pan, it is made of steel. Steel allows the heat to get from burner to food. Handle of kitchen turner, it is made of wood. Wood stops the heat reaching the hand from heated kitchen turner. Base of iron is made of aluminium. Aluminium allows the heat to pass from iron to cloths. Blanket is made of wool. Wool traps air, so keeping you warm by retaining warm air. Number 2. Below are 2 columns with separate headings. Write the names of the 6 articles under the correct headings. Conductors, insulators. We have to write name of 3 conductors and name of 3 insulators. Conductors are copper, aluminium, steel. Insulators are cork, wood and wool. Part 3. The diagram shows some woven gloves. A. What are gloves used for? Gloves are used to hold hot pans or hot oven tray. B. Should the gloves be made from a conductor or an insulator? Gloves should be made from an insulator. Explain your answer. Because gloves should be made of insulator because insulator would not allow the heat to pass through it. Thank you. The graph shows how a substance cools after being removed from heat. Beta, this is the graph. Time is taken along x-axis, temperature is taken along y-axis, and the temperature of the substance at the start when it is removed from the heat is above 120 degrees Celsius. When the temperature of the substance is higher than its surrounding, then it is radiating more heat than it is absorbing. As a result, the temperature goes on decreasing until it becomes equal to the surrounding. At this stage, the amount of heat given out by the substance is equal to the amount of heat absorbing by the substance. Now we have to answer the questions. Number 1. Use the graph to answer the following questions. A. Where is the maximum heat loss? A, B, C or D. These are different points over this graph. We can see that maximum heat loss is at point B. At this point. B. Where is the minimum heat lost? A, B, C or D. At this point there is minimum heat lost at the point D. What is the temperature at point C? We can measure the temperature at point C by putting scale over there, and we will come to know that its temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. What is the room temperature? The room temperature is correspond to this line, and we will come to know that it is 15 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Draw 2 more cooling lines on the graph with the following characteristics. A. Same starting temperature, higher room temperature. Now we will, the starting temperature is same. We will draw this line from this point and draw it like this, and because the ending temperature is higher than room temperature. This is the room temperature, and we will make graph like this from this point above this curve. B. Higher starting temperature, low room temperature. In order to draw this cooling line, we will start from above this line. For example, from this we can start and draw the line like this. Temperature is lower than the room temperature. Question number 4. Question number 4. Which description matches the word? Draw a line between the word and its description. One has been done for you. Melting. When a solid is warm, the particles move faster until some break free and become part of the liquid. Next is evaporation. We will match this word with this description. When heat is applied to a liquid, the particles move faster still. At the surface, faster particles break free to form a gas above it. Then condensing. When heat is removed from a gas, its temperature falls. The particles slow down and move closer together. Eventually, they become close enough to form a liquid. Freezing. We will match this word with this description. As a liquid cools down, its particles slow down. Eventually, they will start to form a framework which is typical of a solid. Mass is conserved. In a change of state, only the behavior of the particle changes. The actual particles remains the same all the time.